Yuck, yuck.
Gee darn. Look at all that rain. Okay, it's pouring here in Los Angeles today, so we are going to spend most of the Sunday listing and cleaning out Margot's closet because she's moving to New York City soon, and not all of those things will fit. So we'll time-lapse it, and it's going to be a great, productive day. All right, let's hit it. Just went through and photographed literally everything. Now we are going to edit the photos, post them on Depop, and then call it a very productive listing session. What would you say?
Very productive.
Very productive. Okay, we're gonna lock in and get this done. Okay, we got a few of them listed. We are well on our way. Let's go. Are we going to make big bucks?
Probably not.
Okay. Next, I'm going for a run with John. John is the one we've been playing golf with. And we're going to, I think, hit 5 miles. All right, 8 miles in. We got another 14 to go.
Let's go, baby.
We're like half a mile in. Okay, actually, how many miles this time?
We're at 529 calories. That's pretty good, actually. 4 miles.
4 miles here, halfway point, and now to head back. It's gorgeous out here. Look at this. Look at the sun going through. And the water? Gosh darn, baby.
Hey, here we go.
Man, that sure is nice. What about you, John?
Hi.
We did 7.7 miles or something, right?
Yes, sir.
At a very slow pace.
No, we were fast.
Yeah, very fast pace. We're going to grab some dinner and then go hang out with some friends. Go hang out with some friends. Yeah, it's going to be great. We'll see you there. Package secured. We got chicken Sammys from Hillstone and fries from Hi Ho. Ooh, baby! I'm an everything guy, John. Hold on. Zoom this in. I can tell. Give me some. What are we getting?
The danks.
Do a little
Is this our
unboxing
reveal?
experience. Okay. Yeah. Woo! Look at that, dude. Another fries.
And then another.
Woo! Hillstone chicken Sammys, baby.
2 for 2. Hi ho. Hi ho. That was heavy.
It sounded dense.
That was.
That looks actually pretty gross. All right.
All right.
Okie dokie. Very short vlog today, as you can probably tell. I didn't shoot that much. But we're going to grind this and then probably just edit it. Call it there. So see you tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching.
We lived to see another day.
Woo!